Equitek e100-2 microphone made a weird loud popping noises and then just died. So it turns out this IC chip got blown somehow. Looking at the schematic of it, it's not very complicated. The input chip is a high-speed, low-noise OPA 2107 with addition of a server for DC on the output. The microphone uses the non-inverting configuration, so it goes to pin 3 and the ground goes to the reference voltage, which is half of 18 volts, the center between two batteries. So I measured the output on the pin 1 of the second IC and it showed 18 volt DC towards the ground, which is obviously not good. So the U1 had a latching problem. After changing to different IC, it started working properly. The powering system of this microphone is kind of weird. They provided 2 rechargeable batteries, which I never seen in my practice. Usually people use just the alkaline batteries, but the manual says don't use alkaline and phantom together. It will blow something. That's what might happen to this microphone. And the whole idea is the 2 batteries provide 18 volts and in the middle it's like center point for the biasing of the chips. And the weird thing happens if you connect just the phantom power, it will work for 2 seconds and then just slowly fade away, because these capacitors charge at first and then they discharge and there's no center point voltage. The power saving jumper disconnects the batteries when the phantom is not applied. It goes only with the rechargeables, because alkalines you should put it on not saving. Another common problem is battery leakage. You can see it here. So it involves a lot of scraping, cleaning and resoldering. I've used OPA 2134 for the substitution of IC1, and I tried TL072 with good results. A little bit more noise and distortion, but otherwise you can use it. By the way, on this mic the first IC was AD8512. Not exactly what on schematics, but well, I don't know. Maybe it was already fixed at some point.